just Miss Prosecutor.
Huwag ka mag-aalala tol. Kaya natin to.
Okay, in this case, we will discuss the
Good.
case of Mr. Carlos is accusing of playing too much game, lacking
Honor, I think
tropa
it's
time.
I believe that the anong tawag sa suspect?
Defendant.
I believe that the defendant has an empty wine bottle. So instead of partying, he is drowning in sorrow. So he kept on playing other games instead of tropa time. That's it, Your Honor.
Okay,
Your Honor,
present
objection,
your
Your Honor.
defense, Mr. Kitsuneko.
Your Honor, the defendant is not. I did not intend to. Ang tawag doon? To disregard his own friends. However, the real fact, Your Honor, is that the defendant was stuck in an elevator and could not move.
Okay.
Okay. What is your defense here, Prosecutor Vicious Pen?
Huwag ka mag-aalala.
You said that the defendant is stuck in an elevator, right?
Yes.
But
Boo!
based on the evidence,
Boo!
it is said that the defendant has a memory of a chef or a fire. So how can you be so sure that he is really stuck in an elevator?
Your Honor, I have another evidence, Your Honor. Not only was the defendant was actually stuck in a elevator, but he was also stuck in the loo. Sumatae po siya, Your Honor, at ayaw lumabas ng tayo niya. Thank you.
What now?
Gusto po talaga niya sa mga kaibigan niya, Your Honor. Kaso, tumatay siya.
Prosecutor, what is your say?
Ito yung evidence, Your Honor. Paano mo masasabing stuck siya at tumatay kung meron siyang flat tire?
Yes,
Paano
Your
siya,
Honor, Your Honor.
paano siya makakahanap ng banyo kung meron siyang flat tire?
Your Honor.
So, nandyan lang siya
Your
sa...
Honor, objection, Your Honor. The prosecution basically sabotaged herself. She's saying that the defendant has a flat tire.
Ba't di kita matabaan?
Meaning that the defendant cannot go to tropa time. Because
It
having a flat tire.
is a very invalidate evidence.
Bakit invalidated?
Invalidate? Paano ba yun? Validate?
Valid.
Invalidating evidence too.
Invalid ko pala.
Validate siya pala.
I call Mr. Ashen to the stand.
How is this?
Witness?
Ba't di ko matama yung aeroplano ko?
Alright. Mr. Ashen,
Anong magano?
the movie
Walang
producer,
cards.
what is your say here? In this case.
Oh, cards.
Mr. Ashen
Shut up,
Mr.
Nervo.
Ashen,
will tell the truth,
will tell the truth,
but nothing but the truth.
And
but nothing but the truth.
But nothing but the truth, I see.
Okay na yan.
Your Honor, I am a movie producer.
Your Honor, ba't ayaw pang manahimik ng isa?
As such, Your Honor, can we kick that guy from Discord? Can we remove him from Discord?
Sure, why not?
recess.
Go ahead, Mr. Ashen.
Your Honor, Your Honor,
Yes.
I am a movie producer. And as such, I require for there to be props in my set.
Ano?
So,
Sabi what?
Props.
Okay.
So what?
so yung flat tire na yun was used as a prop for my movie.
Oh my god.
Oh,
And then-
plot twist.
And which means the defender, Mr. Carlos, had a perfectly good working tire.
Your Honor, I object.
Wait. Kitsuneko
Okay.
is objecting.
Wait.
Your Honor, we have
Objection, Your
found,
Honor.
Your Honor,
Objection, Your Honor.
we have
Objection.
found a love letter from the prosecutor to my defendant, and it was filled with tears.
Wait,
Oh
ako yung
my
prosecutor. Anya, may love letter siya.
Your
That means
Honor.
wala siyang time.
Your Honor, the prosecutor is
That's interesting.
Tropa tayo
Yes,
is ano,
not my
yung
defendant.
kaibigan niya.
not my client, Your Honor, it's the
What?
prosecutor.
Kaibigan
Your
siya.
Honor,
Yes.
the prosecutor is a scum. Is a scum to this world.
Your
Has
Honor.
come to this
Dahil-
world for what?
Yes, for
Whoa.
breaking my client's heart.
No.
Ikaw ba si Jesus Christ? Breaking my
What?
chest. Okay. But now
Go ahead,
sumagot.
Miss Prosecutor.
So, Attorney Kitsuneko, are you saying
Yes.
that the defendant and I have has a relationship?
Precisely, Your
Whoa.
Honor.
Interesting.
Okay.
And she broke my defendant
No,
heart.
it's not a relationship.
Oh.
But we used to be
Chill.
friends, and we used to
It
make
used to be okay.
we,
Okay.
we used to be friends,
Yeah.
and we used to make friendship bracelet with noodles.
Your Honor, I
What is
object.
this? What is it? It's
That
Neko.
Your Honor,
May
that
drama?
wasn't a friendship bracelet, Your Honor. It was an electronic bracelet made to monitor my client.
I thought this was about Ashen and Vicious Pen.
Yeah, no, it is now about the defendant and the prosecutor. Shocker, right? Yes. Yes.
Like the
The
electronic
prosecutor is a scum to this world, Your Honor.
Honor.
Magkano ki?
Bribery?
$50,
I
Your Honor.
accuse of bribery.
Ah,
Your Honor. $50, Your Honor.
ikaw.
$100 on the table, Your Honor, not
Okay.
under the table.
150. Your Honor, 150. 150.
200,
Kasabi yung may-ari? Wait, kasabi
Your
yung
Honor, 300.
Oh,
400.
Your Honor, 300. 500.
Okay, okay, Your Honor.
Don't-
yeah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are
Your Honor, shut up. Your Honor, shut up.
today.
Hard.
Your Honor, ako pala ito. Yung pala Your Honor. Okay.
Right, introduction muna, introduction.
Good morning, everyone. Yes, alam ko. Patugot ko. Yes.
Fuck, mali na. Ay, tama. Yung search history ng defendant is clean. Almost
Yes.
as if to hide the fact na may sinesearch siya about pregnancy.
Whoa.
Oh, erase.
Whoa.
What a scum.
Oh,
What
Interesting.
a scum.
Okay,
I
okay.
know, right, Your Honor?
Okay, Miss Defendant, Defense Counsel.
Why is the counsel?
Okay. Wait lang!
Sinatap nun eh.
Kaya ka lang nahihilo ako. Kaya po, nakadelete.
Your Honor,
Bilisan mo.
Ina, paano nga nagsasalita nga? Minumute mo ka na business.
Your Honor.
So, Your Honor, kaya po deleted ang search history ng aking defendant dahil may problem po ang GPS niya. So, nire-restart niya yung kanyang browser. At probably yun ang reason bakit na-delete din pati ang kanyang search history. Gets?
Oh.
GPS.
Gets?
Oh.
Oh,
Uh,
yes.
Anything to declare, Mr. Prosecution?
Your Honor.
Question.
On top of
Yes.
on top of the fact na in-erase niyo yung history niya, meron din siyang stalker letter implying na meron siyang relationship with another person.
Scum. Ascom, I
Ascom.
say, Ascom. Yes.
Okay. Asan yung turn ko? Wala akong turn.
Ewan ko sa'yo, bilisan mo. Bagal mo.
Hindi
Mr. Grab.
Okay, Your Honor. Sabi po ni prosecutorist ay hindi dumating ang order. Pero ang defendant ko po ay naka-receive ng email na may order. And that's why kinancel niya po sa app ng JNT yung delivery. Dahil alam niya na ito ay mystery bag and that this is a guaranteed disappointment kasi meron pong pangalan ng suspect, ng stalker. That's it, Your Honor.
Paano suspect?
Your Honor.
Anything to declare. Mr.
Your Honor,
Prosecutor.
I don't even need evidence for this. Your Honor, bubutasin ko yung mga
What
arguments.
do you mean?
Number one, it was
Yes.
an invitation card, not an email. Number two,
Yes.
bakit
Yes.
niya po binura yung search history niya? Almost as if
Okay.
meron siyang tinatago
To hide.
sa email. Na quote-unquote email that doesn't exist, maybe.
Scam! Scam!
Okay. Can I talk, Mr. Honor? Can I
Yes.
talk? Sabi po ni prosecutor is, this is a letter. Pero sinabi rin po niya na yung order ay hindi na-deliver. So that means na yung letter ay pinadala through a courier na JNT. Which
Yes.
my defendant rejected from the app dahil kita niya yung pangalan ng nag-send. At again,
Yes.
I was saying na may problem po sa GPS ang aking defendant dahil may transport strike. That's why my defendant is trying to restart her browser.
Ang
And
dami
that,
mong sinasabi, tumahimik ka na. Mr. Prosecution.
teka, lawyer nga ni.
Your Honor.
Hindi pa ako tapos.
Okay.
Your
And
Honor.
that's why my defendant is trying to restart her browser para maayos po yung GPS niya. That's it, Your Honor.
Sarap.
Why?
Okay.
Meron siyang encrypted USB key.
Wow!
Na tinatago.
Meron sa encrypted USB. Scam! Scam!
Meron siyang tinatagong USB. Because
Yes.
Oo, ano yan?
yung CD na gamit niya lagi ay nasira.
Oh!
That's why sinave niya yon sa isang USB. And that doesn't
Pinauna na yun,
mean
ah.
na ang defendant ay buntis. Dahil malayo na po sa topic ang sinasabi ni Mr. Prosecutor, Your Honor.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Okay po, Mr. Judge.
Yes.
Mr. Judge.
Mr. Judge.
Go. Provide your...
Your Honor.
Yes.
Words.
Bakit kayo nagdala ng pala
Kukunin
dito?
Gusto ko na umuwi.
Update.
Okay. Since walang mabibigay sa atin na maganda ang witness, anything to declare? Money perhaps?
Your Honor,
Your Honor.
Your Honor, are you admitting to bribery?
Yes.
Merong body cam ang pulis natin dito.
I am Mr.
50-90.
Prosecutor.
Your Honor, may body cam
Ikulong may
ang nasa
pulis.
harapan mong witness.
Ikulong may pulis.
I agree. Amin, baba na ako.
Okay, Miss Judge, I have presented my case of Mr. Carlos is accused of leaving the GC and not playing with us.
Your Honor is guilty.
Parang kanina. Okay, good morning. Prosecutor, you may now start. Go.
Hindi, yung charges muna, explain mo.
Okay na yan.
Okay, my first evidence would be this. My
Ay namo, wala man akong
Judge.
ginagawa.
is gay. He sucked dick. That's it, Your Honor.
Okay. At dahil dyan.
Your Honor.
Okay, go.
Your Honor. The opposition is a bitch.
Okay. Is that all?
I rest my case.
Your Honor,
Dahil dyan,
I
merong
would say
paligay.
it's scum.
Nakakabuisit
There is my
naman
case.
tong deck na to. Ay,
Your
nako.
Anong miyakainda ka yan?
Your Honor. Your Honor, I would like to present my evidence. Please.
Ay.
Please. Your Honor. The prosecutor is the bitch. The stupid bitch.
Visit Aki?
Your Honor. Your Honor. Objection, Your Honor. This is not making sense, Your Honor. Your Honor, I will present my evidence that this defense is insane.
Ay.
Your Honor. The prosecutor is spreading lies. He's a marites. Your Honor.
What?
Sabi ng evidence niya, client toilet break. Paano niya gagawin yun? He pooped in a nearby park. Ako na toilet.
Your Honor, he said he had public indecency. But in this case, he needs a toilet break so that he can goon to get a cucumber up in.
Your Honor, my client would never need to goon because he has too much riz.
Oh, nice. Very good. Baliw talaga ito, pinukpok ako.
Sino yung Hello Kitty? Ay, si Winnie the Pooh?
Your Honor, my witness is a dog.
Your Honor, arf. The defendant arf is pooping on the park.
Scooby-Doo! Scooby-Doo is that you?
Arf.
That is my witness, Your Honor.
Tapos na.
Arf. The defendant is arf. Ouch. Okay. Now,
Grabe split personality.
Your
That's
Honor,
the witness role.
Your Honor, the defendant is a scum. I can totally affirm that argument, and that he is insane and he pooped in a nearby park. That is all, Your Honor. Arf. Arf. That's true. Arf.
Wala na to.
Pinupukpok lang tayo.
Hindi niya po.
Ikulong na natin. Ay, not guilty pala yun.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Oh, panalo.
Don't do
Bruh.
that by default.